Hello guys, so this video is now the fan video of this series of the playlist of trigonometry. So I expect that you have done all the practice, all the questions of concise book. This is my fan video for this chapter. So now I am solving all the important and the board questions. So I'll make two videos for the board question, one for height and distance and one for the trigonometric IDENTITIEs. This video is having the board questions of last 5 to 10 years that I will solve them one by one. Keep on solving with me, practice them, and it will help you immensely and will tell you about the level of questions we get in the board exam. Let us solve the questions of year 2023. I will go in that order from 20 to the 18 year. So the first question, now this is the MCQ of year 23. This is a trigonometric identity question, 1 mark question. Now board gives you those 1 mark question which are very simple, solved orally, can be taken in one step, and you need not to write 10 steps for these MCQs. That is the basic meaning of multiple choice questions. A 1 mark question. So I can see here it is 1 plus sine A into 1 minus sine A. So those who have been practicing these questions for long, they know it, that it is A plus B into A minus B and that is equals to A square minus B square. So ये क्या देगा हमको 1 minus sine square A, and आपको अपने सारे MCQs ऑप्शन में जब आपको दिखाई पड़ रहा है कि cosec स्क्वायर ए है वो साइन का रेसिप्रोकल होता है, वी शुड नॉट टेक इट. आपको दिखाई पड़ रहा है कि cosine स्क्वायर ए है, वी हैव 1 minus sin square a, it can't be the answer. Sec square a has a relation with tan square a. So what is left for your answer? Cos square a. This is the right option for this question. I hope you understand this question very well. Always remember, MCQs are those questions which you only should solve in 1 or 2 steps. All right. So I hope you are getting this question clearly, and let me go on with the next question of this year. So next question. Now this question is a 3 mark question. It might get 3 steps or 2 steps. Not 2 steps. Sorry, 4 steps. So both generally gives you 3 mark, 3 steps or 4 step question in 3 mark questions. So as you can count down now, we have, this is the second question on the same year 2023. So we have got till here 4 marks question. So I've got question sine square theta minus 1 into tan square theta plus 1. What should I do with this? What is the approach of the question which you can have out of it? So इसकी क्या approach होनी चाहिए, आपको कैसे क्वेश्चन करना है, ये आपको समझना है. So बच्चों, बहुत difficult नहीं है इसको करना. आपको अगर INTs याद हैं, आपको अगर INTs का टोटल आइडिया है, तो INTs अगर लगती हैं तो आप ट्रिगोनोमेट्री का कोई भी क्वेश्चन बहुत आराम से सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. आप उसको इजिली INTs को लगाइए और सॉल्व कर लीजिए. I can tell you we can do this question in 2 ways. So first of all, imagine think on the in terms of INTs. So the first INT you can see here, it is sine square minus 1. I'm taking out minus sign common and make it 1 minus sine square into 1 plus tan square plus 1. What you can get out of it? So you can see I get it 1 minus, it is cos squared, and this is sec squared plus 1. You must remember, the board checks your basic concepts. So remember, जो भी क्वेश्चन बोर्ड देगा आपको, वो आपके बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट्स को चेक कर रहा है. इट इज नॉट चेकिंग द नॉलेज ऑफ ट्रिगोनोमेट्री एट दैट हायर लेवल. 10th क्लास पेपर इज अ कॉन्सेप्ट चेकिंग पेपर. क्या स्टूडेंट ने, क्या उस बच्चे ने पूरे साल में पढ़ाई करी है या नहीं करी है। क्या उसको मालूम है कि 3 आइडेंटिटीज कौन कौन सी होती हैं? क्या उसको मालूम है कि सेक और कॉस एक दूसरे के रेसिप्रोकल होते हैं, या उसको नहीं मालूम है? अगर उसको इतना पता है, क्वेश्चन इज नॉट डिफिकल्ट। सो आई गॉट 1 अपॉन sec square theta into sec square theta plus 1, it is minus 1 plus 1, this is equals to 0. You see here, I told you, both give you 3-step question, 1, 2 and 3rd step, question is solved. Always remember, those who say that both बहुत difficult questions देता है और बहुत lengthy questions आते हैं, गलत है, wrong suggestion है, they are trying to scare you off. Have my words, I can tell you with all my experience and all my conviction, both gives you question papers, both give you questions which will be having 3 steps or 4 steps in them and not more than that. Be sure about that. So I hope the question is clear to you. Let us move on to the next question of let us see what comes next. So in 23 we had only 2 questions from the trigonometry chapter, that is 4 mark questions. In year 2022, so the question again, 1 plus tan square upon 1 plus sec theta equal to sec theta. So question 1 plus tan square the problem in this question, it is not 1 plus tan square in the numerator, so 1 is separate. We have to target on this tan square upon 1 plus sec square. So recall, when you see tan theta in the question or tan square in the question or sec square in the question, the INT is sec square theta minus tan square theta equals to 1. So sec square is 1 plus tan square theta and tan square is sec square theta minus 1. I can write down here sec square theta minus 1 upon 1 plus sec theta. It is 1 plus sec theta minus 1 into sec theta plus 1 upon sec theta plus 1. This will be giving us 1 plus sec theta minus 1. I can cancel 1 and I got the answer sec theta out of it. So again you see the question has got 3 steps because board gives you step marking. बोर्ड को अपने ऊपर हावी मत होने दीजिए. बोर्ड का क्वेश्चन पेपर चिल्ड्रन फ्रेंडली होता है, स्टूडेंट फ्रेंडली होता है. दे ट्राइंग टू गिव यू मार्क्स, नॉट ट्राइंग टू टेक मार्क्स अवे फ्रॉम यू. बोर्ड ऐसा क्वेश्चन पेपर बनाएगा जिसमें कि आपको हेल्प मिल रही होगी, जिसको कि आप आराम से कर सकते हैं, प्रोवाइडेड दैट आपने पूरे साल मेहनत करी है, आपने पूरे साल पढ़ाई करी है. अगर आप पढ़ाई नहीं करी है पूरे साल, भैया मजे करते रहे हो, घूमते फिरते रहे हो, कर लेंगे जब बोर्ड आएगा, एग्जाम में फेल हो गया, हाफ वाली नहीं दिया, प्री बोर्ड पे ध्यान नहीं दिया, कोचिंग के टेस्ट मिस कर दिए, तब तो नहीं होगा बोर्ड क्वेश्चन. वो कब होगा? जब आपने उसको रिस्पेक्ट दी होगी, पूरे साल मेहनत करी होगी बोर्ड के लिए. तो आप क्वेश्चन के लिए, आप सब्जेक्ट के लिए लॉयल रहिए, सब्जेक्ट पे मेहनत करिए, मैथ्स की बुक पे मेहनत करिए, कंसाइज बुक को 2 बार कर लीजिए पूरे साल में. बोर्ड क्वेश्चन you can score 68 to 75 marks out of 80 very easily. Have my words. Provided you do it, you follow it, make a routine, discipline yourself and solve these questions repeatedly. Do practice करिए और questions को properly solve करिए. One more question from the year. So we have got 2 questions in 2022. 1 plus sine square theta. I'm writing question for you. 1 plus sine theta whole square. 1 minus sine theta whole square upon 2 cos square theta. So I have got the square here. 1 plus sin theta square 1 minus sin theta whole square. जो बच्चे बहुत तेज होते हैं, जो उन्हें 8th क्लास में अच्छे से पढ़ाई करी है, अलजेब्रा इनकी बिल्कुल प्रॉपर है, they know it that a plus b का whole square plus a minus b का whole square. So they mentally solve it. A square plus b square plus 2ab, a square plus b square minus 2ab, 2ab cancel. It is 1 plus sin square plus 2 sin, 1 plus sin square minus 2 sin, plus 2 sin and minus 2 sin is cancelled. What is left? 2 plus 2 sin square theta is left only. So, but I am doing it completely for you. So, what I am doing is that I am opening the square 1 plus sin square theta plus 2 sin square theta हमको इसको प्रूव करना है sin square theta plus tan square theta. What can we cancel out? 2 sin is cancelled. 2 plus 2 sin square theta upon cos square theta. What should I do? Take out 2 common. 1 plus sin square theta. That gives me 1 upon cos square theta upon plus sin square upon cos square sec square theta plus tan square theta. Question is again, this should be a 4-mark question, might be in the board exam. So I am again repeating the step. 1 plus sin square plus generally questions of trigonometry involves the algebraic identities a plus b whole square, a minus b whole square, a cube plus b cube, and many of questions like this. So here I have 1 plus sin theta whole square plus 1 minus sin theta whole square upon 2 cos square theta equals sin square plus tan square. Slightly twisted question. So the approach should be, as we get the first step, you can see it's 1 plus sin theta whole square. Open the square, 1 plus sin square plus 2 sin theta, 1 plus sin square minus 2 sin theta. आज सारे क्वेश्चन सॉल्व कर लेंगे बच्चों, बिल्कुल भी चिंता की बात नहीं है. लेट अस डू इट एट ईज. आराम से काम करते हैं, पर बोर्ड क्वेश्चंस को सॉल्व करना, पीवाईक्यूज को सॉल्व करना बहुत बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. पीवाईक्यूज जिसने सॉल्व कर लिए, आपको बोर्ड के क्वेश्चंस का आइडिया हो जाता है. सो पीवाईक्यूज पे बहुत ध्यान दीजिए, इनको बहुत अच्छे से सॉल्व करिए, आपको बोर्ड का लेवल मिल जाता है कि आपको किस तरीके के क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करने हैं. सो आई गॉट 1 plus sin square plus 2 sin plus 1 plus sin square minus 2 sin. 2 sin is cancelled. I got 2 plus 2 sin square upon 2 cos square. 2 सारे काट दीजिए, बच गया 1 plus sin square upon cos square. अगर न्यूमरेटर में एक बाइनोमियल टर्म है और डिनोमिनेटर में सिंगल टर्म है, स्प्लिट करिए. 1 upon cos square plus sin square upon cos square. 1 upon cos square is sec square theta. Sin square upon cos square is tan square theta. You got the answer sec square plus tan square for this. You have done the questions of the previous 2 years, 22 and 23. Now you can judge yourself at what level you are standing. Are you able to crack these questions? क्या आपको क्वेश्चन समझ में आ रहे हैं? क्या इनमें आप वो स्टेप्स लगा पा रहे हैं? क्या आप आइडेंटिटीज को सॉल्व कर पा रहे हैं या नहीं कर पा रहे हैं? आई एम चेंजिंग द क्वेश्चन फॉर द नेक्स्ट ईयर. सो द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज I think I will stop this question here. I want to keep the video short. 2022, I've got one more question. So 22 has a lot of questions. I could see 3 questions already. I'm doing third question from that year. 1 upon 1 plus sine. Please take LCM right away. That gives me 1 minus sine theta plus 1 plus sine theta upon 1 minus sine square theta. So sine and sine is cancelled. 2 upon cos square. 2 into 1 upon sine square, 2 into 1 upon cos square equals to 2 sec squared theta. 3-mark question. What else do you want from the board exam? Such a easy question it is. Absolutely easy questions are they. They have got nothing to do with the very lengthy questions. So I'm stopping my video here. I will continue the board questions in the next video. Till then, please solve these questions properly. We'll come back with the next video. Wait for my next video. Subscribe the channel and like the videos. And put your suggestions in the comment box. Share this video with your friends. Follow us for the continuous assistance of the tutorial videos of this entire concise book. Bye bye. See you. Bye.